Hi little friends, welcome to your online classes. Now you will have your science class. So all of you get ready with your books, open lesson number 12 at page 97. Now look at the board. Be attentive all of you. Light, sound and force. This is the topic of what we shall discuss today. What is light? Light is a form of energy, and we can see all the things around us because of this light. Objects that emit light of their own are called luminous objects, because in this world all the objects that you see around are not having their own light. It is the sun, the natural source, and it is the main source of this light energy. It gives us light, and the day breaks in the morning, the dawn comes and the sun rises, and we start seeing all the things around us. And at night it is dark because of absence of light. Now these luminous objects, these are the objects which emit light, that gives out light from itself. They are natural and man-made. Sun, stars, and there are some luminous animals. They emit light from their own. Lamp, candles, torch, all these are made by us. They also gives us light, but they are not natural. The objects that do not give us light, they are called non-luminous objects. And this may be natural or maybe man-made also. The moon we see at night, this moon is having no light of its own. It is a non-luminous object. It is just reflecting the light of the sun. So it is a non-luminous object. And tree, chair, table, even we, in all non-luminous objects. Now when we are talking about luminous objects, I have given an example of luminous animals. There are some animals that emit light from itself. The firefly, pink colored angelfish, they emit light from their own. So they are also natural luminous objects. This is what we learned about light, and we shall now go to the next topic about formation of shadows. Now I think it is known to you that light always travels in a straight path. Now all of you have a torch at your home. You place the torch on the table, then switch it on. What you see? You see that the light is traveling in a straight line. Now what you do, you place an object on this path of light. For example, I am having a duster here and I am placing it. So you put it like this. What happens? This object is not allowing some portion of this light to travel anymore. It is making an obstruction on the path of the light. And then what happens? You see here on the opposite side, a black spot is formed. A black spot is formed. What is it? It is the shadow. So shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the light, and it is formed when the light, the path of light is obstructed by any object. So this is What about formation of shadows? And the shadows can be different sizes. It depends on the light, the angle of light. For example, in the morning you see that your shadow on the floor or on the ground, they are much longer. In the evening also. But at noon, you see that the shadows are much shorter in size. So shadows may differ in size. But it is always formed on the opposite side of the light. Okay?